What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Right now we are gonna start a new game. That's right, we're doing real solar system in Kerbal space program. Boom, Mark II command pod, why not? That's BD Armory. Comment if you want to see BD Armory, I guess, guys. This is the first day playing this mod, no prior experiences, and today's challenge is gonna be to get into orbit of the Earth, which is gonna be tough because the Earth is relatively huge. Here's a graphic of how big Kerbal is compared to the Earth. So this is gonna be a very interesting simulation to see like what it's actually like, because getting into orbit is way harder, as I'm sure you probably heard. So normal KSP, this will be plenty to get into orbit. I don't know about RSS though, let's just test out. Boom for liftoff, let's go. Right, drop in the solid boosters. Nice. Right, we can throttle up this mainsail. I actually didn't put fins on this thing, hopefully we're good. Right, staging, boom, next stage. Right, that's a good apoapsis. Now again, I don't know if I have enough delta V to actually get to orbit. Right, now let's burn prograde. Now look how tilted the moon is, wow. So this orbit isn't going to be in line with the moon at all. Well, actually doesn't look like we're going to have enough delta V. Launch 2. Let's go quite a bit quicker off the pad because I'm on full thrust with this mainsail. We ain't messing around now, we're just going burr. Yeah, we just need more delta V. Alright, let's go. Let's launch this thing again. Oh yeah. A mighty liftoff. Oh yeah, this thing's cool. The amount of smoke is insane. From the 6 kickback boosters, let's go. Separate, nice. Wobble still kind of catastrophic. Okay, that's a good apoapsis, let's leave it at that. Right, bet. Let's coast up. Right, the wobbles. Oh my god, I was just about to say the wobbles. No, this stage is about to separate those, so. And. Stage set. Nice, that mainsail. This is what we had originally. I thought this was going to be enough. Now it should be plenty. This is not enough, I'm gonna be like genuinely confused. Right, totally not a Sat 5 launch. Let's go. Cross my game for very, very nice launch. Now, if you guys want to see a Sat 5 1-to-1, let me know. Or if you want to see SLS 1-to-1, I'll maybe do some 1-to-1 stuff. Just let me know in the comments, see what you want to see. Oh, it's so catastrophically wobbly. And boom, hot stage. Perfect. Wow, this one's a lot quieter. Okay, good apoapsis. And boom. Now we burn prograde again. We're entering orbit, guys. We're actually almost circularizing it, guys. I think we're doing it. Also, I'm pretty sure the moon is actually bigger than Kerbal. The moon on this map. And we have circularized. Boom! We made it into orbit. Oh, that took way too long, bro. We're going 7,000. Right, I guess time to deorbit, am I right? Right, now the re-entry is really getting serious. Okay, now we're almost coming down to the speed that you'd normally be re-entering KSP in. Like a normal KSP, you'd normally be re-entering around this speed from like the MUN. And this splashdown concludes the first orbital flight with an RSS mod. Let me know what you thought of this mission in the comments. And also let me know what you want to see in future videos. Subscribe for more Kerbal and other games. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.